Hey everyone, so today I have a small dye haul that I purchased from Shein, and actually it was another little tack on haul. I was buying my girls these little fans with the hot weather we were having in June, and they wanted the fans that could have the little mister. So I saw these little cute ones, and so I picked it up. And so on the back there you can see it has the buttons for, it's got I think 3 different fan settings, and it's got the button for the little mister, and then it has the charging port, and they came in 3 different colors, and I got it's actually like a creamy yellow color, and my girls, I think I got 2 pink and 1 kind of, it was supposed to be like a turquoise green. It looks a little bit more green when you get it in person, so it was absolutely cute with the little chick in the middle. So I actually went on there to pick up those, but while I was on there I thought I might as well pick up some dyes that I had my eye on. I don't know if you do the same, but when I had my eye on a few things, I always add it to the basket and then leave it there, and then when I go back to do a purchase for something, I'll tack on some dyes. So these are the ones that I got. So there's only a few here. First of all, I got this alphabet dye. Yeah, you know what, I looked at it and it wasn't in alphabetical order, and it just threw me there for a second. So I got this alphabet dye, and it has the stitching design on them, and I thought that was absolutely cute. So I really wanted to pick that up because, as I said, I want to be making some more of my own alphas. I also picked up this one, and it says Merry Christmas, and it has Merry in a solid font, and then Christmas in joined up writing, and then it has the frame that it sits on. So I picked that one up. I also picked up this one. I don't know if you see, this is quite a large one. You can see by my hand, it's got a large heart and some smaller hearts. It's got big hugs. It's got, I'm trying to read it, take care, hi, and this one says celebrate you, and I thought that was great. They all have the outline over the font as well, so you can layer those up, and I thought that was a super cute, versatile die to pick up as well. And then I also got, I'm into the font dies at the moment. I've got this font die, but I also found in my collection this font die. So I don't know if they're actually really similar, so I'm hoping that they're not, and that they're a different size, different font. Yeah, they're a different size, so that's really good, so that I don't have a repeat. So these ones are actually bigger, so yeah, I'm really glad about that. Actually, I didn't check that out. But so I've got these, and as I said, these were smaller dies, capital solid letters, so I picked that up as well. And then the last thing, which I'm actually working on right now, is this little bag die. It really reminds me of those little plastic summer bags I used to have as a kid. I don't know if you had them too, and so that's what I'm actually currently working on. And I thought I would use some of this ephemera as well to make up some of these little bags that I could fill with some kind of ephemera. So I'm guessing that it goes like this, because this is the first time that I'm actually seeing it. So I'm thinking that the sides go up like this. It's probably not the best to make it out of this foam, but I really wanted it to feel tactile and things like that. So yeah, so I'm actually in the midst of crafting with that. I just wanted to have a little chit chat and tell you what's been going on, because really right now life has been quite busy for me. If you can see, I've had quite a lot of breaks in my videos, so there's been long breaks in between the videos, and the reason for that is that recently I've had to take one of my kiddos to the doctors because they had to have some surgery on their eye, which was a bit of a shock actually. We didn't expect that to be happening, and the doctors wanted to do it really quickly, so had to be done within 4 weeks. And so yeah, that was quite a bit of a shock, and also preparing and sorting all the, you know, hospital, she had to have extra checks and things done. And then so yeah, so that has really kept me quite busy. And she's actually had the surgery now and she's recovering really well, so that's great news. And so yeah, I've just been kind of busy with her and making sure that she's got everything that she needs, and that she's recovering as she should be. Because yeah, due to what needed to be done, her eyesight isn't the best, let's just say not the best right now, so she needs a bit of help. So yeah, that's where I've been, and I've not been here sharing my crafty little makes with you. And also in the future, what that means is that she has to have it done on this surgery on her other eye as well. So we're gonna have to go through this again. So hopefully I will be more prepared, so that I'll have some videos for you guys while I'm, you know, looking after her and things like that. To be fair, if it goes as well as this time with this eye, you know, it's been a week already, and you know, she's up and about, and she's recovering well. So hopefully that will happen with her other eye. And yeah, at most it might be a week that I don't post or something like that. But because I'll be prepared, I'll be more prepared, then I can obviously put something in place. So yeah, that is basically what has been going on. Well, there's been loads of other stuff going on with the end of year with the kiddos, and my youngest is leaving nursery and going to be going to big school, so that's a big change as well. And it's an exciting change, but it's a big change. So yeah, lots of little bits going on, but I'm super excited actually to be playing with these dies. And I've just about pushed this. Like, I don't think the phone probably was the best thing to cut it out of first, to be trying it, but I don't know, I had this idea in my head, so I really wanted to try it out. So these are the last few bits. So now I've got those 2 bits cut out. Oh, I missed a bit there. And then thinking what would be the best to stick it together. Let's use some glue. And let's see. So I've just cut off that little bit there to create the other side. I left for myself a little space to be able to attach it on the inside there. So I put that. Oh, so cute. How cute is that? Put it together. So let's have a look in some of this ephemera to see what pieces I want to use. Now I'm thinking I want, actually this is super cute on here, isn't it? Some rainbows. The rainbows. Let's spread them out over here so I can see what I've got. These might be a little, the rainbows might be a bit big actually for this. What I was thinking, let's have a look. Oh, might be a smaller one in here. I think it was in here that I saw the smaller rainbow. Yeah, it's much smaller. Okay, let's use this pack. Let's put these ones away. Now, I was going to use a piece from this packet that said thank you. No, for you. This one here. No, I wanted to use this. I'm going to put this here. Yeah, I think I'm going to use that one. I'm going to use some of these bits. Okay, let's see how this is looking up. I think maybe this. And then, yes, I'm liking that. And then maybe not that one. Oh, actually, how about this? Is that too big? I don't know, not that one. Butterfly, got a small butterfly. I think this is the smallest butterfly. Is that too much? Oh, be a rainbow. Oh yeah, I like that. Move this one over. So I am liking that. So yeah, I'm gonna have a little play around with this. So yeah, so those were the dies that I picked up, guys. A little bit more fun making up some of these baskets. And guys, thank you for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you want to keep up to date when I will next be uploading my videos. Enjoy the rest of your day, guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.